Yeah. Young D, man. Your boy. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Kick it off the brain, lose my mind, man. Grab the microphone and kick it, man. Kick it again like it was a fucking ball. Never stop, cause I ain't gon' fall, never gon' stall. Man, I'm on my hustle, move my damn muscle. Coming out of Texas, get my fucking tussle. If you run up, I rearrange your face. I don't give a fuck, hit the dude with the bass. Man, I might have to reach the truth. I'm in the booth, but I'm really in the room, freestyling, I'm wildin'. Dudes don't understand what I be spitting. Get up on the microphone, I'ma keep written. No, I ain't writing, no rehearsing. Going off the brain, I'ma keep on fucking cursing. Yes, I'm still spitting, yeah, I keep kicking rhymes off the brain, I keep doing. They trying to tell me to stop, but I'ma lose it. Let me lose my mind when I get on and kick it. Man, my fucking rap name is Young D, but I don't rap no more, I'm just going for the hell of it. Let me get on the microphone, just believe I do the fucking hell of it. These fellas don't understand how I be spitting it. Let me get back on the microphone and I'ma kick it again, cause I gotta win. Let me grab the pen, grab the microphone, and I'll be kicking it like this, man. Yeah, got my glasses on and my zone can't stop, cause I'ma keep grabbing the hold of the microphone. Every time I get at the beat, I keep wrecking it. I don't give a fuck, music be talking about sugar. Man, hold on, no fast though, but I'm going off the brain. Bro, you already know 214 till I'm gone in the dirt. And stop till they put me through in the curse. Yeah, let me flip my tongue cause I can't fucking run. Niggas gotta talk, yeah.